Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. Suppose if you want to use double tap to turn off the screen, yes, you can do it. Now I double tap on the empty screen here, but it does not turn off. Okay, because settings is not done yet. Okay, if you want to use this feature, go to the settings, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, then go to smart motion, then smart screen on off, and here you go to turn on this button, double tap to turn off. Now go to the home screen and double tap on empty space. See here. So in this way you can easily do double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.